profits. When did I say we make what we call profits? Okay, I'll be explaining that to you with some of my samples I have here. Now, I have a water can. I got from the market for 150 naira, for instance, and I also got this for 1,500 naira, and I also got this for 500 naira, and I also got this paper for 500 naira. Now I'm back from my market, and I need to sell it to my buyers. And buyer A walks up to me and say, I like this. How much do you sell it? And I decide to sell it for my buyer for 200 naira. I just made what I call profits. That's because my cost price, being my buying price, is greater than my selling price. If I sell higher than I bought, I've made a profit. Also, if the buyer makes me to get this for the sum of 2,000 naira, I also made a profit because I got this wrapper for 1,500 naira and I'm selling it at a higher amount. Okay, so that brings me to the formula of finding profits. The formula for finding profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. And the short form for selling price, we call it SP, and cost price is called CP. That's the initials. I have an example here to enlighten you more about this topic. Okay, an article costs 60 naira and sold for 80 naira. What is the profit? Now, if someone buys an article, what this question simply means, an article which costs 60 naira was sold for 80 naira, what is the profit? I have my solvings here. First of all, bring up my data. In mathematics, whenever you have such questions, always bring out your data. Bring up my cost price, which I tag CP. My cost price here is what? 60 naira. And I also bring out my selling price. So an article costs 60 naira, was sold for 80 naira. I'll bring out my selling price, which is amount 80 naira. I've brought it all my data so you can see them very well. Now, what is the profit? Now, remember our formula. Don't forget. The formula for finding profit is what? Selling price minus the cost price. Okay, and what's the selling price? The selling price here is 80 naira. So I have 80 naira minus 60 naira. That gives me, let me solve it here so that you can see it very well. 0 minus 0, 0 is 8 minus 6, 2. So I made a profit of 20 naira. So you see, that's a good one. I have another example here to show you on how to solve profits. An article costs 70 naira and it's sold for 148 naira. What is the gain? Another word for profit is gain. If you don't want to call it profit, you call it gain because you gained it. So that's why it's called gain. Have you solved it? Do not forget to always bring validators. Alright, so I have the cost price, which is the cost. That's why we have the costs. Our cost price is equal to 70 naira. And my selling price, what's being sold for, the selling price is equal to 148 naira. Our formula for finding profit still remains selling price minus the cost price. So I have was with this. And the Bible looks up to me, ma, this wrapper is not really, the face is not really as shiny as it ought to be. Okay, because of that, I'm going to reduce the price for you, and I saw the wrapper for the person for 400 naira. I just made a loss because my selling price is lesser than my cost price, so that becomes a loss. Okay, now I have an example of loss here. Obi bought some mangoes for 15 naira 70 kobo. Some were bad. Okay, I told you before. He sold the rest for 13 naira 80 kobo. Find is loss. Find is loss. Find is loss. Now what would be for this loss? Same thing. Bring out our data. I have the cost price, which is what he bought for. That's the buying price over the cost price. Or be bought. That's the buying price over the cost price. 15 naira 70 kobo. And I have the selling price here, which is 13 naira 80 kobo. Don't forget, the formula for finding loss is cost price minus selling price, because the cost price in the case of loss is actually higher. It's always higher than the selling price. So I have 15 naira 70 kobo minus 13 naira 80 kobo. So I'll do my solvings here. 15.70 minus 13.80. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 8, and you don't know. I have to work with 5. And 5 becomes 4. And I have 17 here. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have made a loss of, so therefore loss is equal to 1 naira 90 kobo. Another example here, Titi bought a dress for 150 naira and sold it for 140 naira. What is her profit or loss? But in this case, I bring out, did she make a profit? No. Why? Because the cost price is higher than the selling price. So let us not get it twisted. You may be asked, what is the profit or loss? So it's left for you to choose. Are you looking for profit or you're looking for loss? So don't get twisted or don't get confused. Whenever you see such questions like this, what you do, look close at the question again. Titi bought a dress for 150 naira. That's to say, the cost price is higher than the selling price. So that makes it what? Less. That makes it what? Less. It's loss we are looking for now. So I have the solvings. Reading out my data, cost price is equal to 150 naira. Selling price is equal to 140 naira. And I made a loss. So I have 150 naira minus 140 naira. 150 minus 140, doing my rough calculation. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So I made a loss of, Titi made a loss rather, of 10 naira. Okay, learners, I believe with this, you've been able to get an idea on how to serve profit and loss. Don't forget, if I come here next time, I'll need you to try this home text for yourself. Check yourself out if you can be able to do this. Okay, so run through the questions. I have question number 1. You guys have bought a bag of rice for 3 naira, 92 kobo, and sold it for 4 naira. How much was her profit? Don't forget we're using our profit formula. Okay, Shadi bought a basket of oranges at 9 naira 60 kobo and sold it at 120 naira, what was her profit? We're also looking at the formula of profit. So use this to check yourself out if you can be able to